your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Dana Masasi here with your checking on the weather. We're looking at a live shot of downtown Utica. Pretty colorful out there and calm as well. It was a little bit breezy though. We actually had wind gusts of up to 30 miles per hour earlier today, as well as temperatures getting into the lower 50s. Right now we're sitting at 48 degrees and we have those winds out of the west at 7 miles per hour. So the wind has started to calm down. For our low temperatures tonight, we're going to be in the 30s across the board. 31 in Old Forge, 36 in Utica, and 37 in Ilion. Then for our high temperatures tomorrow, we're going to be in the 40s and the 50s. 43 there in Old Forge, 49 in Utica, 50 in Ilion, and 46 in Cooperstown as well as Oneonta. Then as we move our futurecast forward throughout tonight, fairly calm, partly cloudy skies here. Though as we head further up north into the North Country, we do have a lake effect band that's going to be setting up. And I know you could see those blue and purple colors, which means that we're getting mixed precipitation, some rain, snow, and freezing rain as well. Then that'll start to ramp up as we head into the morning hours. Now I know the models are shifting this band a little bit further up north, though I do think that lake effect band is going to set up a little bit further down south. That's going to be continuing throughout the day on Tuesday, so you will be seeing mixed precipitation in the North Country. You will have partly cloudy skies here in Utica. And as we head further down south into Otsego County in areas like Cooperstown and Oneonta, you might see some mixed precipitation as we head into the evening hours once those temperatures start to cool down. Then as we head throughout Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, that band is going to start to shift further down south into Utica, so we will be getting some snow showers as we head into the morning hours and the first half of Wednesday, though the ground is still fairly warm. So it looks like once we head into those afternoon hours, that snow is going to melt. So if anything, you'll get anywhere between a trace to an inch of snow. And the inch is probably going to be in some of those higher elevations where it is a little bit colder outside. Once we head into the evening hours, that band will start to fizzle out. We'll be ending off with mostly sunny skies Wednesday evening. Now, it is also Winter Weather Awareness Week, which is coming just in time with that snowfall. And some important things to note is that losing power, heat, or cell service can lead to some life-threatening situations, so it is always important to be prepared with having something like an emergency kit in your car, which can include food, water, clothing, a radio, matches, or medications that you need. And the list goes on. You could find that list on our CNY homepage website in the Science and Technology section. All you need to type in is winter weather on the CNY homepage website or on the app, and you'll find all the details there. Now to recap for tonight, we'll have partly cloudy skies with winds out of the southwest at 5 miles per hour, and a low temperature of 36 degrees. As we head into tomorrow, partly cloudy as well, a little bit breezy too, winds out of the west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and a high temperature of 49 degrees, so it will be quite chilly, and we'll see that as we head throughout the 7-day forecast. We'll be seeing those rain showers, snow showers, and possibly some freezing rain in the mix for the first half of Wednesday. As we head to the latter part of the day, we'll start to clear up. Then we will have partly to mostly sunny skies as we head throughout the rest of the 7-day forecast. Though the cold weather will be sticking around, it isn't until the end of this weekend that we'll start to see those temperatures get into the low and mid 50s again. We'll also have our nights in the upper 20s and low to mid 30s, so quite chilly there as well. Jamie?
Thanks, Dan. Here's a look at what's coming up.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Little shower for us this morning, but some partial sunshine this afternoon, and you can see our iNet camera was shaking in the wind today. Quite breezy. We saw quite a few lake effect clouds and a few light showers as well. We're also seeing a few flakes in the North Country for the first time today. Now today's November 1st, and we were right near normal today. Our high was 54 degrees. On November 1st, it's typically right around 53. So there it is. And our normal low is in the mid 30s, but notice by the end of November, our normal high temperature goes all the way down to 41, and our nights will be more like in the mid 20s. We'll also have lost a full hour of daylight by the time we get to the end of the month. A reminder that this upcoming weekend we'll be setting the clocks back as well. So big changes over the course of the month. And the first week of November is also Winter Weather Awareness Week. Now we don't have any big storms in the forecast, but now that we're starting to see snowflakes in the forecast, we like to think about the preparations for the winter. So now's a good time to check your car emergency kit. Make sure you have all the necessary things in that: snow brush, snow shovel, maybe some sand or kitty litter for getting stuck in the snow. And we have a full detailed list with even more items on our website at cnyhomepage.com. You can find those there. And we're going to have more winter safety tips here as we go through the week and continue with Winter Weather Awareness Week this week. You can see on the radar right now that we do have a few very light showers up in the northern part of Webb, maybe a snowflake or two. The radar is starting to pick up on a little bit of blue there. And this band will keep going here for much of the night tonight and actually shift a little bit further to the north as we get into tomorrow. We'll look at how that plays out for us here in just a second. Temperature-wise, chilly already in the valley, down to 36 degrees. Very, very light breeze for us right now is actually adding a little bit of a wind chill factor at times when that picks up. And we'll see temperatures tomorrow getting back into the 40s and low 50s, so not quite as warm as today. Most of us in the 40s, 45 in Oneonta tomorrow, 46 in Cooperstown, looking at 43 for a high in Old Forge tomorrow. So a typical fall day, a little bit below normal, but not too far off from where we should be. Now you'll see on the Futurecast tonight, we continue with that band in the North Country, maybe a couple of snowflakes here and there. That's going to be shifting, though, a little bit further north for the morning, and we're actually going to be dealing with two bands tomorrow, one from Ontario and one from Lake Erie as well. That's going to be bringing these clouds in, as well as some scattered showers in the afternoon. Most of those are to the south of the Mohawk Valley, but you'll see some clouds and showers possibly getting into our neck of the woods as well. North Country looking at that chance for some snowflakes and some cold rain showers tomorrow. Then that band tomorrow evening is going to be shifting south, so that'll bring the chance tomorrow night for some rain and snow showers, even in the Mohawk Valley there. And then we'll see that kind of off and on through the night and into the day on Wednesday. We'll be watching that band shift north and south. That brings a couple more showers and a chance for snowflakes here on Wednesday, but you can see we're drying out nicely and getting some breaks of sunshine in between that as well. If anyone does get any accumulating snow, it'll likely just be on the grassy surfaces, a dusting at the most. So tonight we're down to 32 in Utica, quite chilly, partly cloudy skies. We do have those showers up north, and tomorrow we'll have showers to the north and to the south, but likely in Utica, partly cloudy, very quiet, upper 40s in the afternoon. And we'll have that chance for a couple of rain and snow showers tomorrow night and during the day on Wednesday. Thursday, maybe a rain shower, but looks quieter there. 40s to round out the week. Really nice weather pattern shaping up for this weekend. Looks like a big old coastal storm will miss us well to the east, so that keeps us nice and sunny. Cooler, but turning more mild by the start of next week. We do set the clocks back this weekend, so you'll notice that early sunset on Sunday night, but it looks like a bit more mild, back to the mid-50s by the time we get to Monday of next week.
Awesome. I know we're setting our clocks back. That means it's going to get dark earlier, but all I see is more sleep for me.
'Tis the season. We do get that extra hour of sleep.
Yeah.
I like the silver lining. That's good.
Thanks, Colleen. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News. First at 10, our sports director David Edelstein has your look at local sports. That's next.
Your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Cool and breezy for us today, but a very typical start to the month of November for us. We had some lake effect clouds streaming in throughout the day, little scattered showers here and there, but also some sunshine breaking out. And we were right near normal for the start of November. You can see how our average temperatures change here over the course of the month. Today, our average high 53, nights about in the mid-30s. But by the time we get to the end of the month, our normal high drops all the way down to 41, and our typical nighttime temperature will be 27. We'll also be losing a lot of daylight here during the month, a full hour shorter by the time we get to the 30th. And coming up this weekend, we'll be setting those clocks back, so an early sunset on Sunday. Now, being the first week of November, it's also Winter Weather Awareness Week here in New York. We're going over some winter safety throughout the week. A good idea to get a car emergency kit together for the winter. Of course, you want to have your snow brush and your snow shovel in the car, maybe some sand or kitty litter in case you get stuck in the snow, a blanket, a flashlight. We have an even further detailed list available on our website. You can find that at cnyhomepage.com. Now, we're seeing some flakes in the Adirondacks tonight. You're seeing that white grayish color up around the Old Forge area. We've got some light rain showers, but also a few snowflakes. Nothing major, very, very quiet for us in the rest of the area, but we're going to see chilly temperatures and that continuing through the night tonight. We're already down to 35 in Utica. Wind is calm right now, so no wind chill at the moment, but we get a little bit of a breeze. It is noticeable out there. We'll be down to the low 30s tonight, back to the upper 40s in Utica tomorrow afternoon, 49, 43 in Old Forge in the afternoon, 47 in Oneonta. So a little bit cooler for us tomorrow than it was today. And we're going to continue to see that band of a little flurries and a few light scattered showers here in the North Country overnight tonight. That band shifts a little bit further north tomorrow, but we'll also be dealing with a band from Ontario, from Erie at the same time. That's going to bring some clouds and scattered showers down to the south of the Mohawk Mohawk Valley. You can see in Utica we could get hit by a stray shower and some clouds from that band, while the North Country continues to see flurries and light rain showers throughout the day tomorrow. That band is going to shift south tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. That means even in the Mohawk Valley, we could see a couple of snowflakes there tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning. Wednesday will still be dealing with that band with a little bit of snow and rain off and on, but very, very quiet outside of the band. You'll see some sunshine breaking out as well. It'll be that typical lake effect setup when you could be sunny and dry just a few miles away from where you have some cold rain or even a little bit of snow falling there. Tomorrow night looks like the best chance for some accumulations in the North Country, but mostly less than an inch. Going to be really hard for that to stick. So tonight we're down to 32 in Utica. It's a cold start tomorrow. We'll be into the upper 40s in the afternoon. Still a little bit breezy tomorrow, not as windy as it was today, but we're still dealing with that westerly wind, partly cloudy skies, and the chance of a shower. Overnight tomorrow night and Wednesday, we have the chance of a shower and maybe a few flurries mixing in as well. We'll get into the mid-40s there Wednesday afternoon, and again on Thursday. Thursday we have a small chance for an isolated shower, and then we're very quiet after that, actually. Shaping up to be a really nice weather pattern this weekend. Looks like a storm will miss us well to the east, so we'll have some nice sunshine there. Temperatures in the 40s and eventually 50s as we get into next week. Does look like we'll be turning the corner and getting a little bit more mild once we get into next week. And don't forget that we do set the clocks back coming this weekend as well.
Awesome. Thanks, Colleen.
You're welcome.
There's more Eyewitness News coming up after the break.